Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Craftmas. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how to make these little string Christmas trees, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited, so let's just get right into this video. So the first step that we're going to be doing is you'll be needing some plastic wrap, paper, and scissors. So first you're going to take the paper and you're going to fold it into a cone shape. So you're just going to kind of roll it just like this. And I like to kind of pinch the top so it makes like that point of the Christmas tree. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because this isn't going to be our actual Christmas tree. Okay, so then I just taped it. And then you see how there's this hole right there? We're gonna cut that off so to make it even so it can stand up. And it's not that even, so make sure that it can stand up flat just like that. And yeah, okay. The next, maybe I'll trim it a little bit actually. Wasn't that straight. So just get it how you want because yeah, it has to be flat on the bottom so it can stand up. So yeah, okay. Okay, I think that's good. Next, you're gonna take the plastic wrap. So I just covered the plastic wrap I covered the paper cone in plastic wrap. And this is so you can take the string off when it dries, and it won't stick to it because the plastic wrap it won't stick to. Then you're gonna take some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, and you're just gonna pour in the bowl. I think that's about good. And then you're gonna take your string. I'm gonna make a white Christmas tree, like a snowy kind of Christmas tree. You're gonna just find the size that you want. So I just found a size, and I think that's good. Then you're just gonna dunk it in. And I'm gonna use a spatula to mix it in because I don't want to get my hands all gluey. But just so you know, for later on in this video, you're gonna have to get your hands messy. I just don't want to get it right away, so I'm just gonna mix this in. Okay, I think that's about good. And then you have to find the end of the string, which is kind of hard to find it, but yeah. Okay, so I found it, and here it is, and now we're gonna start wrapping it around our cone. So you're gonna take the string, you're gonna wrap it all the way around, just like so. See, this is the part that's gonna get your hands really messy. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so here it is. And I just wrapped it all. And it's really sticky. And now we're gonna add glitter. I love glitter. I'm gonna use these two top ones because I think they're super pretty. I love them. So, and then you're just gonna put it on your Christmas tree. So I'm gonna open this up if I can. Sorry, I'm behind the camera trying to open this up. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. I'm opening it. Okay, there, I got it. And now you're gonna take some scissors and you're just gonna snip the top. Okay, and then you can sprinkle it all over your Christmas tree. I'm just sprinkling it, and then I like to kind of like just lay it on its side kind of and sprinkle it. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that glitter. It's almost like holographic kind of glitter in a way. Doesn't really look that way on camera, but off camera it does. I love this glitter. It's so pretty and sparkly. But also glitter is optional. You don't have to add glitter, but I just love glitter, so I'm gonna add glitter. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay guys, so then you're gonna let it dry. Okay, so I let it dry overnight, and here it is. And it's nice and hard, and then you're just gonna take it off. This is kind of hard, so I'm gonna go do it off camera, but I'll be back when I do it. Sometimes you have to cut it though, cut the paper to get it off. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get it off. Okay guys, so I just got it off and it looks so cool and I love the way it turned out. As you can see, it's really floppy, but no worries, it's still a little bit wet. The glue hasn't dried completely, but you have to take it off to have it dry completely. But if you let it sit overnight again, then it will dry and not be floppy. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate. I love decorating, so I just plugged in my hot glue gun and I got these super pretty beads that I think will look great on my Christmas tree. And then I have these bows that I'm gonna use, and yeah, I'm gonna start with the beads and I'm gonna put that on. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so I'm just opening this up. Okay, so I opened it now. Finally opened it. Okay, now I finally did it. Okay, so then you're gonna take your hot glue gun and you're just gonna glue all these little beads onto your Christmas tree. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take hot glue gun and I'm gonna put a little dab of glue on it, and then you're gonna stick it on. I'm just gonna do it all over, and also you don't have to use the same color beads like I am. You can do different colors, you can do rainbow colors, or just whatever you like. But I'm just gonna use these clear beads. And then you're just gonna finish putting them all over the Christmas tree. Okay guys, I am back, and here is my Christmas tree. Oh no, one's coming off. Okay, I need to glue it back on. Okay, there we go, and I absolutely love it. I love the little beads on it. Now I'm going to take the bow, and I'm going to use a red bow, because I think that'll look good. And this one has a little twisty tie, so I'm going to take that off, and oh no, I did not know the bead would come off. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to slide off the bead and then I'll glue it back on. Okay, put a little dab of glue and then stick it on. And then you're going to turn over your bow. You can also use a star, but I don't really have a mini star, so I'm just going to use a mini bow. And I put a little bit on the back, and now you're just going to stick it on top. So the top doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cover it up with the star or bow or whatever you like. Put on top. And there you go. It's super cute and I love it so much. I love how this one turned out so much. So these are going to look really cute together. Okay guys, so here they are and they're adorable. Okay guys, I think that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun making this video. And please like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in my next video.